Welcome, esteemed viewers, to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things finance and wealth creation. We're here to take you on an enlightening journey, navigating the intricate world of financial matters. HouseLux Estate is more than just a channel. We're a trusted guide, a beacon in the fog of financial uncertainty. We specialize in wealth creation and property investment, but our expertise doesn't stop there. Through our meticulously curated content, we aim to educate, inspire, and empower you to take charge of your financial destiny. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, we're here to provide you with reliable, up-to-date information, tips, and strategies. Our purpose is simple yet powerful: to help you understand the financial landscape better and make informed decisions. We believe in the power of financial literacy and its role in shaping prosperous futures. So stay tuned to HouseLux Estate for all your financial enlightenment needs. To kick things off, let's dive into the concept of net worth. Picture it as a snapshot of your financial health, a single figure that represents the value of everything you own, minus everything you owe. On one side of the equation, you have your assets. These are the things you own that have value: your house, your car, your savings and investments, even your fancy designer shoes if they're in good condition. Everything you own that could be sold for cash is considered an asset. On the other side, we have liabilities. These are your debts. This could be anything from your mortgage, student loans, credit card debts, or even money you owe to a friend. Liabilities subtract from your net worth because they're obligations that you're responsible for. Now, let's bring these two together. Your net worth is calculated by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. If the result is a positive number, congratulations, you have a positive net worth. If it's negative, don't fret. It simply means you owe more than you own at this point in time, and there's always room for improvement. So, why is having a positive net worth important? Well, in the simplest terms, a positive net worth means you're financially healthy. It's a clear indication that you're living within your means, saving and investing wisely, and generally making good financial decisions. A negative net worth, on the other hand, can be a sign of financial distress. It might indicate that you're living beyond your means, or that you're not managing your debts effectively. But remember, net worth is just a snapshot. It doesn't define you, and it can always be improved. In essence, your net worth is a measure of your financial progress. It's a tool that can help you understand where you're at financially, where you want to go, and how you're going to get there. It's a scoreboard for your financial game, and the goal is to keep pushing that number higher. Your net worth is essentially your financial health scorecard. Now let's delve into why the $100K net worth milestone is significant. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is more than just achieving a numerical milestone. It is a significant psychological threshold that often marks a shift in mindset. This amount is enough to make you feel like you're truly beginning to gain traction on your financial journey. It's a sign that your efforts are paying off, and it can provide a motivational boost that propels you to continue striving for greater financial success. At this stage, you're no longer just saving or investing small amounts. You've built a strong foundation and are now in a position to leverage your assets to generate further wealth. This is where the magic of compound interest really kicks in. Compound interest is the process by which the interest on your investments begins to earn interest itself. It's a bit like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and speeding up as it goes. When your net worth is relatively small, the impact of compound interest is less noticeable. But once you hit the $100,000 mark, you start to see this effect in a big way. Let's say you've invested $100,000 in a diversified portfolio that returns an average of 7% per year. After 1 year, you'll have earned $7,000 in interest. But in the second year, you're not just earning interest on the original $100,000. You're also earning interest on the $7,000 you gained in the first year. Over time, this effect can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. This is why the $100,000 milestone is so important. It's a tipping point where your money starts to work harder for you. It's the point where you transition from being a saver to becoming an investor, from someone who works for money to someone whose money works for them. Hitting the $100K mark is more than just a number, it's a game changer. So how can you reach this pivotal $100,000 net worth milestone? This is the question that's probably been swirling in your mind since we started this discussion. Well, brace yourself for some practical strategies that will set you on the path to achieving this financial goal. First off, let's talk about saving. Saving is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's not just about setting aside a portion of your income, but also about making smart choices that reduce your expenses. So start by establishing a budget, tracking your spending, and identifying areas where you can cut back. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar added to your net worth. Next up is investing. The beauty of investing is that it allows your money to work for you. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, the key is to start early and invest regularly. This takes advantage of the power of compound interest, which Albert Einstein famously referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Now let's talk about reducing debt. Debt is the biggest obstacle to increasing net worth. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can quickly eat into your savings and investments. So, make it a priority to pay off your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Not only will this free up more money for saving and investing, but it will also improve your credit score, which can open doors to better financial opportunities. Another strategy to boost your net worth is increasing your income streams. Don't limit yourself to your 9-to-5 job. Look for side gigs, start a small business, or invest in income-generating assets. Having multiple income streams not only provides a safety net in case of job loss, but it also accelerates your journey to the $100,000 net worth milestone. Lastly, none of these strategies will work without consistency and discipline. It's not enough to save, invest, reduce debt, and increase income streams sporadically. You need to do these consistently and with discipline. Set financial goals, create a plan, and stick to it. Keep track of your progress and make adjustments as necessary. And most importantly, be patient. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's sum up what we've covered today. We started with the basics, understanding what net worth is, the total of all your assets minus your liabilities. It's a snapshot of your financial health, a compass to guide your wealth-building journey. We then explored the significance of the $100,000 net worth milestone. Why is it so crucial? Because it's the point where your wealth starts to work for you. It's the tipping point where the power of compound interest kicks in, and your assets begin to grow more rapidly, leading to an explosion in your net worth. But reaching that milestone doesn't happen by accident. It requires a plan, a strategy. We discussed several effective strategies to accelerate your journey to that coveted $100,000 milestone. These include saving more of your income, investing wisely, and regularly monitoring and adjusting your financial plan. By implementing these strategies, you can make your money work harder for you and reach your financial goals sooner. But remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint. It's a marathon. There will be ups and downs, but with persistence, patience, and the right knowledge, you can navigate these challenges and keep moving forward. The value of financial knowledge and wealth creation cannot be overstated. It's not just about having more money. It's about having more choices, more freedom, and more security. It's about creating a better life for yourself and your loved ones. And that's why we're here at HouseLux Estate to help you on your journey to financial freedom. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on HouseLux Estate today. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. You've got the knowledge, you've got the strategies. Now it's time to put them into action. So let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. It's your time to make your net worth explode.